In this video, I am going to show you how to add a menu tab in WordPress website. So let's get started. So this is our website and today we are going to add a menu tab to it. So at first we need to log into our WordPress website dashboard, and after that we are going to click on Appearance and then click on Menus. Currently we do not have any menu on our WordPress website, so we are going to create a new menu. At first we are going to give it a name. I am going to give it main menu, and after that from the display location section we are going to select header and then we are going to click on create menu. And as you can see that we have successfully created the menu tab. Now we can add pages, post, custom link and categories to our menu. So if you want to add any page to your menu, just click on pages section and after that click on view all. Now select the page and then click on add to menu. So as you can see that our page is added to our menu, and after that just click on save changes. So as you can see that our menu has been updated. So now if I go to my WordPress website and refresh it from here, and here you can see that our menu is now added. Now click on dashboard again. Now if you want to add post to your WordPress menu, just click on post, select the post and then click on add to menu, and in this way your post will be added to your WordPress menu. Or if you want to add custom links to your WordPress menu, just click on custom links. Now enter your custom link in the URL section, just paste it here, and after that here you need to add your link test that will show on our website. So I am going to give it a name. Now click on add to menu and after that just click on save changes. Now if I go to my website and refresh it, and here you will see the custom link that we have just added. Now if you want to add post categories to your menu, just go back to your WordPress website dashboard, click on categories and then just select the category and after that click on add to menu, and in this way your category will be also added to your menu, and after that just click on save changes. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.